Have you ever looked up at the sky during sunset and wondered, why does it suddenly turn bright orange, pink, or even deep red? It's almost like the sky's putting on a spectacular show just before the sun disappears. But here's the surprising part. It isn't actually the sun changing color. It's our atmosphere creating one of nature's most beautiful illusions. Once you understand what's really happening, you'll never look at a sunset the same way again. During the middle of the day, sunlight travels through only a short layer of Earth's atmosphere before reaching your eyes. Sunlight may look white, but it's actually made up of every color of the rainbow. Tiny molecules in the atmosphere scatter the shorted blue and violet wavelengths in every direction. Our eyes are much more sensitive to blue light, so the sky appears blue for most of the day. But everything changes as the sun begins to set. Since the sun is lower on the horizon, its light has to travel through much more of the atmosphere before reaching you. Along this much longer journey, almost all of the blue light gets scattered away. That leaves behind the longer wavelengths, reds, oranges, and yellows, which continue traveling towards your eyes. That's why sunsets glow with those warm, beautiful colors. Sometimes sunsets become even more dramatic. Dust, smoke, pollution, tiny water droplets, or even ash from distant volcanic eruptions can scatter the light differently, making the sky appear darker red, fiery orange, or filled with brilliant shades of pink and purple. Every sunset is unique because the atmosphere is never exactly the same from one day to the next. So what can you do with this knowledge? Next time you're outside during sunset, take a few minutes to simply watch the sky. Notice how the colors slowly change from yellow to orange, then red, pink, and finally purple as the sun sinks lower. It's a daily science experiment happening right above your head, and it's completely free. The next time someone asks why the sky turns red at sunset, you'll know the answer. It's all thanks to sunlight taking a longer journey through Earth's atmosphere. If you enjoyed discovering the science behind everyday mysteries, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we explore amazing questions just like this every week.